So we stayed in apartment number 39. Quick tour of the place. So of course when you enter, there's the intercom at the doorway, and then this is like a shoe rack. Okay, so there's a shoe rack there, there's a calendar, and there's some decoration over there. And as you can see, this has a booking.com rating of 9.7. It's a really beautiful place. That's the shoe rack over there. You can keep your shoes. And then when you enter, there's the kitchen area. So the kitchen area has there's an oven here. An oven. And you get toaster, there's a coffee maker over there, and then there's wardrobes, not wardrobes, kitchen cabinet with cups. It's a fully furnished apartment. And then there's of course a cooker here. It's a cooker up there. And then it comes with, this is my cup, I was drinking some water. Then you have, that's the counter, other kitchen. And then we have the pantry area where we have a fridge. And there's an iron box. There's a dryer, and of course washing machine. So it's a really fully furnished apartment. And then, so that's the kitchen, as you can see. Okay, so there's that. That's the kitchen area. Okay, so that's the apartment. And then we have the dining area. This is the dining area. It comes with 6 seats. It's a sitting area right there. Okay, that's the view of the kitchen from the living room. And there's more wardrobes over there. It's a really beautiful place. So this place, and there's a farm. Okay, so this opens up into this what do we you call it, balcony area. Into this, opens up into this balcony area. So this is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, there's all our stuff there.